Welcome to Arazy Group's regulatory update. In today's update, we will provide a regulatory overview in Brazil, including key information on the UDI system. This instruction outlines the requirements for companies to submit and manage UDI, Unique Device Identification, data in Brazil. It is directly linked to RDC 591/2021, which established the UDI system. The document specifically addresses how data must be transmitted, updated, corrected, and maintained within the national database, SIUD. SIUD is the official Brazilian UDI database. Each device model must be uniquely identified using a UDI-DI. Companies must ensure that UDI data fully aligns with the information approved by ANVISA. Key requirement: a device cannot be placed on the Brazilian market unless its UDI data has been submitted to the system in advance. ANVISA requires only the UDI-DI to be submitted to the database. However, companies must still maintain UDI-PI internally. UDI-DI device identifier identifies what the product is. Example, all fill-in care. Extreme 5 milliliter syringes share the same UDI-DI UDI-PI production identifier. Identify specific details of each batch or unit. Example, batch A versus batch B leads to different UDI-PI.
If you want to manage your product registration, consider Regislate, our global registration management software for fast and effective market access processes.
Legal responsibility always remains with the registration holder. Even if a third party submits the data, the company must control access, define the scope of activities, ensure data accuracy. This is a critical compliance requirement. Companies are granted a 60-day period to correct errors after publication. After this period, only minor changes are permitted. Major changes require the assignment of a new UDI-DI. This implies that data must be accurate from the outset. Errors may lead to significant regulatory and operational impacts later. Companies are granted a 60-day period to correct errors after publication. After this period, only minor changes are permitted. Major changes require the assignment of a new UDI-DI. This implies that data must be accurate from the outset. Errors may lead to significant regulatory and operational impacts later. Companies must actively manage UDI data throughout the product lifecycle. When a product is withdrawn from the market, loses its registration. The UDI record must be updated accordingly. Important: this does not restrict the continued use of devices already placed on the market.
Thank you for following our regulatory updates. If you have any questions, need more information, or would like to book a demo of our software, please email us at info@arazygroup.com or simply head to our website and head to the Contact Us page.